Hey, what's up guys, this is Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the easiest $15 per hour online working from home in 2020. Hey, what's up guys, I'm going to keep this video super short for you. It will be 3 to 4 minutes. This is a super cool strategy, especially if you're new to making money online, if you don't have a lot of experience, and this is a free website that you can use from anywhere in the world. Let me share my screen and let's jump into it. But before we go, make sure to like this video, comment if you have any questions, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell for notifications. And right now, let's check out this website, and this website is lionbridge.com. Okay, so this is a website where companies go to in search for people like you to test their websites. Okay, so obviously these tests can be done by software in some cases, but in many cases they need real people just like you just to test their website, see if everything is working correctly, etc. Okay, so you can check out this whole website in your own time. I just clicked on who we are, and as you can see they do a bunch of different things, but what we will be interested in is the current job openings right here. So as you can see, they got associates, and the one that we will be interested in is testers, raters, and curators. You can also do translating if you want to, or become an interpreter, but this is for people who speak more than one language. Okay, so if you can, awesome, but for the purpose of this video, let's focus on testers, raters, and curators. So this is how it looks like when you click on it. As you can see, they have current opportunities all around the world. So you got Canada, United States, you have Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, you have, all the countries in Europe, you have Africa, you have all the Asian countries, and even Australia and New Zealand. So essentially you can just pick wherever you are from. So let me just show you how this looks for United States of America. As you can see, they have a bunch of different openings, and they have both openings in English, and if you speak another language you can work for them as well. So let's focus on English only. Let's just do this for people who have no experience and speak only one language. As you can see, we have work from home ad assessors, English, online maps quality analyst, English. Let's skip all the Japanese, German, French, and we have internet safety evaluator, and also US personalized ads evaluator, and a couple one US mobile and desktop internet search reviewer, and also rater. So these are the positions you can apply for free, and again, this is for United States. Check out all the other positions all around the world, and I just wanted to show you how much you can actually earn with Lionbridge. So as you can see, I looked it up on Indeed.com. You can check it out as well. They have a bunch of different salaries for full-time people, but the one that we are interested in is right here. As you can see, data collector, $25 per hour. Pretty crazy, right? So this is actually something that you can start earning from home, and that's the average salary. And I also went to Glassdoor.com. I looked up their salaries, and as you can see, just scrolling down here, we have internet assessor, $14. We have rater, 14 hours. We have internet assessor hourly, contractor, $15 per hour. We have social media evaluator, $11 per hour. Another social media evaluator, $11 per hour. Ad assessor, $15 per hour. Web search evaluator, $14 per hour. So you can make anywhere from $10 to $15, even to $25 per hour working from Lionbridge. Super easy money, and again, you don't need any real experience. This is for students, for retired people, for people that just want to make some extra money online part-time. They essentially need real people just to test websites. Anyone can do it, and you are welcome, because you definitely will make some easy money with this, guys. So this was my video for you today. As I promised, 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes or less. I'll check how much it will actually take during editing. Before you go, please like this video, comment if you have any questions, or if you just want to say hi, subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out, and make sure to click on the bell to get notified whenever I upload a new free training video for you. Check out all the rest of the videos on this channel as well. All of these videos are about making money online, working from home in 2020, and obviously beyond. So guys, Art signing out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.